Asus introduced its new ZenBook series in India in March this year, with 3 new notebooks on the market: the ZenBook UX303UB, UX305 and ZenBook UX305K. The ZenBook UX303UB is the flagship version and comes with the high-end 6th generation Intel Core i5 processor. The new ZenBook Notebook 2 has Asus trademark metal finish but is still extremely light and sleek. It is also super light, with the fan at the bottom and the ports on the sides. I had no problems lugging this around in my backpack and there were no issues propping it up on my legs while typing away furiously on the bed. The first thing that stands out in the ZenBook UX303 is the screen. Asus has put a full HD display, which is vivid and crisp, with the right color balance. After the ZenPhones, Asus is bringing the warmer eye care mode to laptop screens too to help those working late into the night and in darkness. The 8GB RAM and Intel 6th Gen i5 processor means that the ZenBook UX303UB is equipped to handle pretty much anything. I didn't face any issues working on this. There were no app crashes, be it browsing, gaming, videos or any other work. The audio by ICA Power with Bennett Olufsen technology ensures good quality audio as well, and I don't see the need to rely on extra speakers with this notebook. Unlike the earlier Asus ZenBook we reviewed, this one has a backlit keyboard, which is quite nice, and frankly important given how much this costs. The ZenBook UX303UB's keyboard has the same chiclet-style keyboard we've seen on the earlier device, and the travel is pretty decent. I didn't find myself hitting the backspace too many times, and that's an achievement by my standards.